cabbage kebabs.
One cup of finely sliced cabbage. 1 chopped onion. 1 chopped green chili. 2 tsp of chopped coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste. Half tsp of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Salt as per taste. 1 cup of besan. 1/2 cup of corn flour. Take a mixing bowl and add sliced cabbage. Add chopped onion. Add chopped green chili. Add ginger garlic paste. Add turmeric powder. Add red chili powder. Add salt. Add besan. Add chopped coriander leaves. Combine them well. Add a dash of water and mix. Perfect consistency batter is ready. Take small portion of batter and make shape. Kebabs are ready for frying. Heat oil and fry kebabs. Fry on medium flame. Flip on other side and fry. Remove them. Crispy cabbage kebabs are ready. Tasty and crispy cabbage kebabs are ready to serve. Do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Explore and cook.